Good afternoon, everyone. Our project is automatic lamp for eyes care. Our significance is too much, too less of the light. It impact to the eyes, like is overworking of the eyes muscle, tiredness, illness, dizziness, and more. We see the problem that the normal light can cause the tiredness due to the blue light. So we decide to create the lamp that can control the light, the color by itself. This lamp can use for everyone that usually work at a table or reading in the dark. This is our hypothesis. This lamp will be able to save the eye from the dryness or illness from the light that uncomfortable. Plus, this project use knowledge of technology and can develop in the future too. Objective is to solve the problem from the light that uncomfortable to human eyes and to create the lamp that can adjust color temperature and to suit to the eyes of people.
Equipment. So equipment, we want to have a Arduino breadboard, Arduino model vendor, Arduino cable, LED NeoPixel, LDR sensors, soldering kit, the lamp, and the USB. Procedure. So at first, we want to research about the color wave that is comfortable to the color and our eyes. 2. Learn to write a program. 3. Experiment with Arduino. 4. Programming to read by the LDR sensor. 5. Convert codes to reading external light.
So next, let's talk about color wavelength. So the lights that we can see have wavelengths at 700 to 400 to 700 nanometers. The cool tone tend to have more blue light, which blue light is the light that can affect bad and causing tiredness of the eyes. So in opposite way, the yellow light is the best color that is used when the light is not enough. So in this project, we do 2 experiments. First, it's about the RGB color to the visible light. So as you can see from the table, when you take the color blue out, which is B, and the color displays yellow. So the second experiment, we conducted 3 volunteers by giving score. And from the experiments, we found that the volunteers give opinions about the colors. When the light is enough, the color white would be more suitable for the eyes. And when the light is less, the right color is yellow. And when there's no light, the most suitable color would be bright yellow. Oh, sorry, it's white.
And this is our conclusion. From this project, we can create the lamps that control both of colors and light temperature. It's adapt to the external light of the environment, which does not burn to the human eyes. From the experiment, we can summarize as 2 results.
1. The lab can adjust the color of light according to external light to suit the eye for people. And 2. The user was satisfied about the colors that the lamps give.
So the finally suggestion. 1. We should to increase the strength of the connection. 2. Should improve the stability of the NeoPixel light.
So let's talk about the functionality of this lamp. So at first, when the light is enough, the lamp will display white. And when there's less color, the lamp will display a bit yellow and orange color, which can protect human eyes to work longer and read longer. And
And that's it. Thank you.
thank you very much.
Could you please demo how change of the light?
So at first you can see there is a bit yellow light, which the light is enough, and when so the sensor is behind. When when the light is less, it displays more yellow and orange tone of color.
Can you use the mobile phone to because the blue light is from yeah.
It remains the same because we set the program of when the color is enough and the color is too dark, it remains the same color. We don't use the white orange for the darkest color because it annoys eyes.
So the sensor you put is behind the lamp, right? If I use the cam here, the lamp here, and I play my cell phone, so did the sensor can detect? Like the position is important, right?
So
I mean when I just play the cell phone or smartphone, so the lamp is here, but the sensor is behind the lamp, and actually my eyes is look at the looking down. So is it will affect to the lamp or not?
the yellow light does protect eye from the blue light, but when the blue light come out
From yeah.
it can cut a little bit of blue light from the phone.
Okay, so maybe the position is affect to the okay.
ภาษาไทยนะลูกนะคะข้อเสนอแนะเนาะไม่ได้คำถามข้อเสนอแนะคือเวลาเราประเมินคนในการใช้นะครับอาจจะต้องเพิ่มจำนวนนิดหนึ่งเพื่อให้มันมีความน่าเชื่อถือเนาะอันนี้คือ3คนอาจจะน้อยไปนะครับเพราะว่ามันเป็นลักษณะของ sensory evaluation เนาะอาจจะต้องเพิ่มนิดหนึ่งนะครับหรือเพิ่มถ้าสมมติว่าน้องๆที่มาฟังนะครับอาจจะเป็นลักษณะของการประเมินโดยใช้คนนะครับอาจจะต้องเพิ่มจำนวนหรือว่ากำหนดช่วงอายุเวลาเด็กช่วงผู้ใหญ่เนี้ยให้มันเป็นลักษณะที่จะทำให้ความเชื่อถือของนักข้อมูลมากขึ้นนะครับ
Did you do research into the benefits of blue light as opposed to yellow, or vice versa? In what situations is yellow better than blue, and in what situations is blue light better than yellow?